So we have discussed about the parallel combination of resistances as well. Now इसके related जो भी important points है वो हम nutshell में लिखेंगे. What are the important points that you have to remember in case of parallel combination? Okay बेटा. So in parallel combination circuit यहाँ पे मैं लिखूँगा in parallel combination of resistances. Okay बेटा. Number first, the potential difference जो आपको पता है, the potential difference across each resistor is same. Across each resistor is same. The potential difference the potential difference across each resistor is same and is equal to the, what is that equal to? Yes, that is equal to the applied potential difference. Applied potential difference. Okay beta, this is point number one in related to the parallel combination of resistances. Number second आपने the total current that was flowing through the parallel combination. Okay, what is that equal to? That is equal to the sum of the individual current flowing through the various resistors. Suppose अगर हम हमारे पास तीन resistors लगे हैं R1 R2 R3, इनके across I1 I2 and I3 current flow हो रहा है. So the total current, I will write here, the total current जो होगा that will be equal to the this sum of the individual current that is flowing across the each resistor. That's what I will be equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. That is the varying nature. So वही मैंने आपको पहले स्टेप में कहा कि in parallel combination of resistances, current is getting split up. Okay, the total current through parallel combination is equal to the sum of the individual current flowing through the various resistors. Okay beta. Number third, जो आपकी इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस निकलती है, what is that? The reciprocal of total resistance of the parallel combination, that is equal to the sum of the reciprocal of individual resistors. Okay, that is what parallel combination says. 1 upon R will be equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3, so on and so on. Okay, so I will write the third point here. The reciprocal of the total resistance of parallel combination is equal to the sum of reciprocals of the individual resistances. Individual resistance. So that is, अब देखो 1 upon R will be equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus so on plus 1 upon Rn, अगर हम n number of resistors connect करेंगे in parallel combination. Okay, so 1 upon, अगर मैं यहाँ पे Rp लिखूंगा, you should not get confused, this is the equivalent resistance in parallel combination. अगर मैं Re लिखूंगा, Rs लिखूंगा, series combination, that will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड. ओके, एंड नंबर 4, इसी के साथ जो इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस या इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस यहाँ पे निकलेगी काउंट आउट होगी, दैट विल बी द लीस्ट वन. ओके बेटा, सो द टोटल रेजिस्टेंस, द इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस or the equivalent resistance or the total resistance, whatever, it's your choice to write. The effective resistance in parallel combination, the effective resistance in parallel combination, okay beta, is the least one out of out of all the resistors used in the circuit. Are you getting me? That will be the least one. Okay, अब हम रैप अप करेंगे विद द फिफ्थ पॉइंट इस टॉपिक को. जब इसकी रेजिस्टेंस सबसे लीस्ट बन जाती है तो ये कब यूज होगा, हम पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस कब यूज करेंगे, जब हमने किसी सर्किट में करंट के फ्लो को बढ़ाना होगा. ओके, दैट टाइम वी आर यूजिंग दिस पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. सो आई विल राइट दिस last point of it, in fact the last topic or last point of this topic. Parallel combination is used. Okay, simply parallel combination is used when, जब आपकी रेजिस्टेंस को क्या करना है, when resistance in the circuit is to be decreased. 1 minute. is to be decreased. जब रेजिस्टेंस को आपने डिक्रीज कराना है, that time you have to go for which combination, parallel combination. When resistance is going to be decreased, और अगर आपको करंट जो होगा, और current is to be increased. That means if you have to go for the increase in the magnitude of the current, that means you have to go for this parallel combination of resistances. Are you getting me better? So these were some important points related to the parallel combination of resistances. I hope you have got these points very well. आपको अगर जो भी कोई भी confusion होगा related to the topics that we have discussed so far, parallel combination और series combination में भी जो भी आपको कोई problem होगी, आप मुझे बताइए. I am here for you guys. So with this we have completed very important topic, the series combination and the parallel combination. Series combination का proof हमने निकाला कैसे किया, parallel combination का proof निकाला कैसे किया, वो आप अच्छे से जानोगे, अच्छे से आपने जाना है. एंड आफ्टर दैट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट दीज पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. अगर आपको ये पॉइंट्स आपको याद होंगे तो आप अच्छे से प्रूफ भी कर लोगे, एंड यू विल गेट द कॉन्सेप्ट वेरी इजीली. ओके, सो अल्लाह हाफिज़.